MPTV Makeup News. Makeup news from around the world. This is your MPTV Makeup News.
Hello everyone and welcome back to MPTV. I'm Sydney and this is your makeup news and highlights. According to the New York Post, Charlotte broadcaster WCNC led an investigation on makeup testers inside of a local cosmetic store, and what they found is absolutely terrifying. The news station went to the store where they took 10 swabs of different products, including lipstick, mascara, eyeshadow, and blush. These swabs were placed in petri dishes with substances that would reveal anything that was hidden in the sample. 5 days later, those samples were taken to an infectious disease specialist who revealed that some of these samples carried deadly illnesses along with sexually transmitted diseases. Dr. Arash Porcina examined photos of the dishes and said some of these are molds, but other samples revealed what could be E. coli, herpes, staph, and MRSA. And if staph or MRSA enters into the bloodstream, that can become deadly. From these samples that were taken, lipstick and eyeshadows revealed the most horrific results. But Dr. Porcina advises consumers to not use any makeup testers. He said, avoid testers at all costs, unless you are the very first customer and they have just opened up a brand new sample, because even using new swabs or cotton pads can be risky. WCNC took a few samples from just open makeup samples, and the results showed no bacteria at all. This is why sanitation trumps everything. We have to be safe when using makeup products and tools. Remember that. Award-winning makeup artist Neill has over 40 years of experience in the industry and 3 Academy Awards under her belt. According to Cosmopolitan, V has the best trick when it comes to using mascara. While many artists apply mascara with disposable wands, V prefers using a tiny fan brush. This way you can get right up into the lash line with the product and really work it through the ends of the lashes without it becoming chunky or clumpy. This makes them appear naturally darker and fuller, which explains why so many actresses seem to have the perfect lashes on screen. Neill also shared some of her holy grail products that you can always find in her kit. The first product being NYX Professional Makeup Shadow Palettes. She uses these shadows not only on the eyes, but all over the face and body because they give a tremendous color payoff. The next product must-have is Makeup Forever's Ultra HD Foundation because it's basically undetectable even when the film is shot in 4K. V said, it has good coverage, plus it can be thinned out and made really sheer for men. V's I Can't Live Without product is RCMA's No Color Powder because regardless of the makeup that is underneath, it never disrupts the color of her work. When V is making up characters that require a bit more special effects work, she leans towards NYX Professional Makeup SFX Cream Colors because they can be used in sheer layers. You just have to remember to set them with a loose powder, like the RCMA one. This will last you all day. V says, I always use Duo Lash Adhesive in dark because it dries black. That way you never have to worry about that blob of white glue that won't dry clear. Neill explains, you don't want anything to look phony or sit on top of the skin. That's why blending is essential when it comes to makeup artistry. And just when you think you're done blending, blend some more. V suggests using a beauty blender for this reason and to have a flawless finish. V also always has a mini handheld fan in her kit. This cuts down on dry time when she applies prosthetics on set. And dry skin is something that makeup artists are constantly battling against. And the last thing we want is for our talent to look flaky on camera. To combat this, V applies a super hydrating moisturizer before she applies makeup, and then continually sprays a refreshing mist to stop things from looking cakey. She recommends the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Multitasking Spray. And lastly, but certainly not least, is Krylon's TV Paint Sticks, which V used to make up Johnny Depp for the ghostly white he was in Edward Scissorhands. Nominees for the 7th Annual Guild Awards were revealed on Monday, November 11th by the Makeup and Hairstylists Guild. The awards honor achievements in makeup and hairstyling in film, TV, commercials, and live theater. According to Deadline, the winners will be announced on January 11th at the Novo by Microsoft at LA Live. The Guild will also award makeup artist Thomas Burman with a Lifetime Achievement Award during the ceremony. If you haven't seen them already, I'm here to fill you in on this year's makeup nominees. For a feature-length motion picture, Best Contemporary Makeup, Avengers Endgame, Bombshell, Hustlers, John Wick, Parabellum, and Us. For a feature-length motion picture, Best Period or Character Makeup, Downton Abbey, Dolomite Is My Name, Joker, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, and Rocketman. For a feature-length motion picture, Best Special Makeup Effects, Bombshell, Captain Marvel, It, Rocketman, and The Irishman. For a television and new media series, Best Contemporary Makeup, Big Little Lies 2, Euphoria, Grace and Frankie, Russian Doll, and The Handmaid's Tale. For a television and new media series, Best Period or Character Makeup, An American Horror Story 1984, Chernobyl, Game of Thrones, Glow, and Fosse and Verdon. For a television and new media series, Best Special Makeup Effects, American Horror Story 1984, Chernobyl, Fosse and Verdon, Game of Thrones, and Star Trek Discovery. For motion picture or special made for television, Best Contemporary Makeup, American Idol, Dancing with the Stars, Saturday Night Live, So You Think You Can Dance, and World of Dance. Motion picture or special made for television, Best Period or Character Makeup, Deadwood the Movie, live in front of a studio audience, Norman Lear's All in the Family and the Jeffersons, Patsy and Loretta, Rent Live, and Saturday Night Live. For motion picture or special made for television, Best Special Makeup Effects, Six Underground, Celebrity Big Brother Season 2, MTV 2019 Music Video Awards, Pendleton, and Saturday Night Live. Daytime television Best Makeup, Dr. Phil, Price is Right, The Bold and the Beautiful, The Real, and The Young and the Restless. Children and teen programming Best Makeup, All That, which includes our very own Alan Apone. We love you, Alan, and congratulations. A series of unfortunate events. Henry Danger, with another one of our Mel family members, Brad Look. Make the best one win, boys. Just Add Magic and No Good Nick. Commercials and music videos, Best Makeup, All That. Botched Season 6 promo. Geico, A Witch for a Third Roommate. Pose, promo campaign, and Warehouse, The Good Evil Spectrum Communications ad campaign. Theatrical production, Best Makeup. Cats the Musical, Into the Woods, La Bohemian, Reefer Madness, and Sweeney Todd. Final voting begins on December 3rd for the Makeup Artists and Hairstyling Guild Awards and will close on January 3rd, 2020. Congratulations to this year's nominees and good luck. Thank you all for tuning into MPTV's segment of Makeup News and Highlights. I'm Sydney, and until next time, respect the craft.